Good morning, TikTok. If you guys just coming onto my live, please tap on that screen, show your girl some love. Same on YouTube. If you're just coming onto my live, tap on that screen and show your girl some love. My light look kind of dull. There we go. There we go. I'm just going to do that. And use my angle brush to angle. What you guys think? Okay, now I'm going to start with the makeup. And these are my new lashes. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of orange. I'm going to apply it here. I'm just going to blend that orange out. I'm just making sure I blend. And I'm going to use my white. Oh, I'm also using my rainbow eyeshadow palette that you guys love. So this is the one I'm using. So making sure that I blend that out. And I'm going to use my other eyeshadow palette, Gold. Sorry guys, my voice is a little raspy. And if you guys just come onto my live, please tap on that screen for me and show your girl some love and share my live. Okay, so I have my Gold eyeshadow palette and I'm going to pick out which one. Trying to see which color I should use. Thank you, Broken. And I'm going to use my Blackest Black eyeliner. And I'm going to blend my eyeliner out. Okay, so we got that out the way. Finally, Now I'm going to apply my mascara. Dean, you're so good at makeup. Oh, thank you, Dean. Thank you. Look, I really be trying. Because I don't even know, like I said, I don't even know what colors I'm going to use. So I always apply mascara on when I apply my lashes. So I'm going to use these lashes. This is the new brand by IMV. This is called the Crystal Glow. It's the Natural Luster Fox Mink. And this one is called Radiant. So I'm going to use this one here. Because I didn't wore out the other ones. Morning Light. That's a pretty one. Those are really pretty. These are really light. Look at these. They're real flimsy. I like these. But let me pray to make sure I can get these on right. So I'm going to use the IMV Lash Glue. This one did stick on all day. So I'm just shake it. I'm going to apply. So I took a little bit of glue. I'm just going around the perimeter of the lash line. So this is the lash, and then I'm going to bend it. Good morning, guys. If you guys coming on my live, just coming to my live, click on that screen for me and show your girl some love. Okay, so I'm going to bend it, and I'm going to apply. I have to use my fingers because I can't use the little applicator because I always pinch myself in the eye for some reason, so. So these are the lashes, if you guys can see up close. These are the lashes. The Crystal Glow Radiant by IMV. This is their new lash line. And these are really natural looking. So you guys can see from the side. Okay. So we have that. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f. primer. I'm going to just do this side. I just want y'all to see the difference. Yes, thank you. This stuff really works. It do hold your your makeup in place. And you guys, I've been using it. This is my third day. And look, and it's still full. It still is full. So if you guys don't have this, you better go get it. And then they also have the gripper too. This is Ruby Kiss's new, it's a contour stick. So I'm trying to see, should I just use this one instead of concealer today? So I'm just going to try it out. And then I have my pressed powder as well. So I'm just going to go underneath here. It kind of reminds you of a contour stick, but I just want to use this by itself today. I just want to see how good it works. Hello, Christian Church Teller. How are you? I'm just going to let that blend a little bit. I'm going to use my brush, and I'm just going to blend that in with my brush. I know this phone did not just start over by itself. This phone is so stupid. What you guys think so far of this contour? Well, it's a foundation stick actually. But I think I should go in a little lighter. Especially in here. Them eyes look up at me. Good morning. If you guys just coming in, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love and share my live. I pinned your comment because you was the only one that said anything. Hold on, guys. I gotta try to get my other live back up. I'm doing YouTube as well, so it got disconnected. How are you? I'm doing okay. I'm a little tired, you know. Just been working, but I'm okay. How are you? I think I like this contour stick now. I don't know, guys. What you think? Because that concealer, I like concealer, but the contour is more faster. Using my little small angle brush. I need to buy me another brush like this. I can have for both. For my brows and when I do my under eye look. Alright, guys, this is the final look for me this morning. I hope you guys did enjoy my live as always. You guys come back for more. I will see you guys later on this evening. Well, TikTok, I'll see y'all tonight. But YouTube, I'll see y'all this evening. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching, and supporting me. Yeah, thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys later. You guys have a blessed Friday. And, yeah. Bye.